Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the Holy Quran, a book revealed over 1400 years ago, contains information aligning with modern scientific discoveries? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? This ancient manuscript, central to the Islamic faith, remarkably resonates with the cutting-edge knowledge of our time. The Quran, despite its age, holds insights that scientists have only recently begun to understand. In today's exploration, we'll uncover 5 fascinating facts from the Quran that science has since confirmed. These range from the mysteries of the cosmos, to the origins of life, the role of mountains, the protective nature of our atmosphere, and even the intricate process of human embryology. Each of these facts presents a fascinating intersection of faith and science, a testament to the Quran's timeless wisdom. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Let's dive into these intriguing intersections of faith and science, starting with our first fact. Centuries before astronomers had the tools to confirm that the universe is expanding, the Quran mentioned this phenomenon. In Surah Dariyat it is written, "And the heaven, we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are expander." This statement, made over 1,000 years ago, was confirmed in the 20th century by Edwin Hubble, who provided empirical evidence that the universe is indeed expanding. A remarkable testament to the Quran's insight, don't you think? A fact in the Quran confirmed by science centuries later. Did you know that the Quran alludes to life originating from water, a concept modern science supports? This is found in Surah Anbiya, where it's stated that every living thing is made of water. Today, scientists concur that life as we understand it is carbon-based and fundamentally requires water. This essential element serves as the lifeblood for our planet's diverse ecosystems, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. So yet again, we see another intriguing alignment of the Quran's verses with scientific facts. The Quran describes mountains as stabilizers for the earth, a concept that resonates with the scientific understanding of mountains. In Surah Naba, verses 6 and 7, mountains are referred to as pegs or stakes. This intriguing metaphor aligns with the geological function of mountains. You see, mountains act as stabilizers, anchoring the Earth's crust and preventing it from shaking. This is eerily similar to the role pegs or stakes play in securing a tent. The Quran's description of mountains remarkably mirrors our scientific understanding. The Quran's verses also encompass our atmosphere's protective role, a fact well established in science. In Surah Anbiya, verse 32, we find a reference to the sky acting as a protective ceiling. This aligns remarkably with our understanding of the atmosphere's function. It forms a barrier, shielding Earth from harmful solar radiation, much like a roof protects a house. This celestial roof, our atmosphere, is yet another instance where the Quran anticipated a scientific discovery. Once again, the Quran and science converge. The Quran's description of the embryonic stages aligns astonishingly well with the scientific understanding of human development. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verses 12 to 14, the Quran describes the human embryo's development in a manner that mirrors our current scientific understanding. It begins by stating that man was created from a fluid, then turned into a clinging object, and later fashioned into a form which appears both human yet not fully formed. This echoes the process we know today. Fertilization, where the sperm and egg unite to form a single cell, the blastocyst stage, where the embryo clings to the uterine wall, and organogenesis, where the embryo begins to take on a distinctly human form yet isn't fully developed. The Quran, written over 1,000 years ago, outlined these stages long before the invention of the microscope or the discovery of the cell. A testament to the Quran's timeless wisdom, aligning remarkably with modern science. These 5 facts are just a glimpse into the fascinating overlap between the Quran's wisdom and scientific knowledge. We've journeyed through the vastness of the expanding universe, dived into life's aquatic origins, explored the stabilizing role of mountains, basked in the protection of our atmosphere, and marveled at the intricate process of human embryology. Each concept, beautifully echoed in the Quran centuries before modern science caught up. The Quran, a book of faith and wisdom, continues to resonate with modern scientific discoveries, reinforcing the belief for many that science and faith can indeed walk hand in hand.